Today we read 1 Chronicles 26 through 29 and Psalm 127. Everything comes from the Lord. All that we have to give was a gift to us first. Would you join me as we sing the hymn, O Worship the King?
O worship the King, all glorious above, all gratefully sing His power and His love. Our shield and defender, the Ancient of Days, pavilioned in splendor and guarded with praise. The earth with its store of wonders untold, Almighty, your power has founded all, established it fast by a changeless decree, and round it is cast like a mantle the sea. Your bountiful care, what tongue can recite? It breathes in the air, it shines in the light. It streams from the hills, it descends to the plain. It sweetly distills in the dew and the rain. Frail children of dust, and feeble as frail, in Thee do we trust, nor find Thee to fail. Your mercies how tender, how firm to the end, our Maker, Defender, Redeemer, and Friend.
Most of these words actually come from Psalm 104, which we've already read. I pray your heart is more aligned with God's word, and that you are letting go of God's word aligning to your way. He is the way. I also hope you'll join me again tomorrow. I'm Debbie. Thanks for worshiping with me today.